Alright, let's bring the Y across.
For X.
X, yep. Then the Y. And then Z. Alright, and can you rotate that pallet?
Okay. I gotta do it on the eye. It's 45.
Okay. You do pallet switch.
I'll try it in there. Which one is in there now? Do we know?
One. Okay. Let's run the spindle, please.
Run the spindle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. What's that?
850.
250? You do like 2,000?
Got it?
Yep. Alright, let's do a tool change. The tool changer is not actually hooked to the machine, it just sits behind there, but you can see the mechanism function, but it's not installed and leveled right now. We'll do one from this side and one from the rear. Go ahead. Alright, I'll go over here.
You want to do another?
Yeah. Go ahead, Joe. Alright. Let's manually index the chain on the tool changer. You can see the tool changer is just sitting here. It's not leveled or installed. That's why it was shaking a little when we did the change. Ready? Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay. That whole assembly bolts up to the side of the machine.